Hello everyone, welcome to the podcast by Uprime. These are podcasts that will be in the public domain. So what do we have?
So yeah, I saw an article written by you in LinkedIn. It was about consumer tax credit on startup spending, right?
Yeah.
Now, the basic idea behind that is that if you spend some money on startup, like products given by startups, your taxes, like the taxes which you give to the government, is slightly reduced.
Yeah, so the basic idea is this, like anytime you want to incentivize a sector of the economy which is kind of not incentivized enough for production, it's incumbent upon the government to make policies which are conducive for healthy transactions in that sector of the economy. So when you think of a startup sector or like small and medium scale enterprises sector, the tax credits for starting up or the barriers for entry for starting up are significantly low compared to what it was 10 years ago or 20 years ago. What we need in terms of incentive is not ways by which you can start up companies. What we need is incentives for consumers to consume products produced by these services and product companies so that they get
Don't you think this kind of creates a more consumer-based society, like a more consumer-based economy?
I think the more the consumer-based society, the better. I think if you just think of evolution of economies, every economy starts as an agrarian economy, then it moves to industrialized economy, industrial manufacturing, and then it moves to more service oriented economy. So if we are in a transition, we have actually leapfrogged the manufacturing stage because we never really had a robust manufacturing industry in this country. So this is particular to India and not pertaining to any other country. We have sort of leapfrogged from an agrarian economy to a service-based economy. So when you get into service-based economy, you will have lots of people in their 20s and 30s have jobs in different metropolises of this country, and as a result you will require some sort of a consumption in the economy. So consumption economy is not consequence, it's almost an inevitable outcome of a service-based economy. So more the consumer driven economy, the better. So there is no problem with that. Thanks everyone for joining us. It was an extensive discussion. Hope you join us next time for our future podcast.